Hi, I'm Ethan, Head of Chemistry here at Easihold. Got a master's degree in chemistry and enjoy building robots in my spare time. And I'm going to be showing you what I get up to in my day job. Today we're going to be testing Easihold versus a competitor product, Sample X. The competitor product we have here is a PVA-based mulch glue. Typically, other market competitors don't offer 100% UV stability and will often degrade in sunlight. Whereas in comparison, Easihold's pure resin-based system offers 100% UV stability and will last significantly longer in a multitude of different weather and conditions. So, the reason we have two samples of each, two of the Easihold and two of the PVA-based competitor, is that one of each of those is going to be a control and the others are the ones we actually test on. The reason we do this is to keep the controls separate so we can see what they look like initially, and then after the testing we can compare the results from the other two. So we're now going to put the samples into the QUV chamber. The QUV chamber is an accelerated weathering tester, and what this will do is dramatically increase the amount of UV a sample will receive over a set amount of time. It will roughly replicate a year's worth of sunlight over the course of a couple of weeks. First of all is the Easihold sample. We're going to be placing this flat against the surface, facing directly into the UV bulbs, and adjacent to this we're going to be placing the PVA Sample X in the same position and distance. Now we can close the lid and begin the experiment. So now the samples are in the QUV, we're going to be doing regular checks to observe how they cope with the UV strain. Then we'll come back and show you the results. So here we are, 2 weeks later. As you can see, Sample X has turned yellow and is significantly weaker than the Easihold sample. In addition to the discoloration, the resin content in Sample X appears to be so diluted that the material crumbles easily. When comparing the final results, the difference is clear. Easihold has maintained its original appearance without any yellowing, and its structural integrity remains exceptionally strong. We get a lot of questions often asking us, why Easihold? Considering we're the original stone and mulch binder, we can confidently claim that after 6 years of thorough testing and formulation, that our product is the best on the market.